Today we're going to be doing a fast charging test on the iPhone SE2 and we're going to do a charging test on the iPhone 7. Now this is 5 watts in here and this is the 18 watt one as well. So basically I'll put down the link below to where you can get the cable that I'm using, the Anchor Powerline 2, and yeah, we're just going to go from 0 to 100%. These are both dead, as you can see. Don't forget to subscribe, turn notifications on. Hope you enjoy. Okay, that's unusual. The iPhone 7 with the 5 watt power adapter is charged up before. That's interesting. We'll just see if this is actually connected. Yes, it was connected. Okay guys, we're coming up to 10 minutes. Now let's check them out in 2, 1, let's go. iPhone 7, 10%. iPhone SE, put your guesses down below. 18%. That's already an 8% improvement over the iPhone 7. Now that's pretty interesting. Okay guys, 20 minutes is coming up. 2, 1, there we go. iPhone 7, 21% just hit as I turned it on. 38% for the iPhone SE. So, almost a 20% increase, which is absolutely fantastic. Okay guys, here we go. Start the iPhone 7, I'm going to go to the SE2. Don't forget to subscribe also, and yeah, so you don't miss any of my future videos coming up. Got a Call of Duty battery drain test on this phone coming up soon. iPhone 7 is 32%. That's not bad for half an hour, considering it's only 5 watts. iPhone SE, 54%. So it's gone past 50% mark, as you can see. So I'll meet you guys back here when it gets to 50 minutes. Okay guys, he's coming up to 50 minutes. iPhone 7, let's have a look. 53% on the iPhone 7. And what do we have here? 76, that's not bad. Okay guys, we are at the 1 hour point. iPhone 7 is at 64%, not bad. iPhone SE2 with the 18 watt charger is at 82%. Okay guys, we're coming up to 1 hour and 30 minutes. iPhone 7, 86%. iPhone SE2, 95%. So the gap's closing for this one. Okay guys, 1 minute, 1 hour 50, 95%, 97 on the SE. Okay guys, we are coming up to the 2-hour mark. Let's have a look in a second what the iPhone 7 is at. There we go. Let's hope it's at 100% at the 2-hour mark. This one's at 97. This one's at 98. Wow, this one's caught up really quick. And there you go, there's the results. A sub would be appreciated as it did take quite a lot of time to do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.